Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Danish and welcome to my channel Affiliates Den. Before we get into the topic, I really appreciate if you could just smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know whenever I release my new video. Now, about the video, of course, today we are going to learn something about YouTube and how to make money off it. Well, a lot of people ask me how people are making hundreds and thousands of dollars from YouTube only when they pay only around $1 for 1,000 ad impressions from AdSense, and how is it possible? How people are doing well on YouTube and the payment module is so tough? Well, that's the misconception. I mean, people are not dependent on YouTube only. If you start your own channel and you think YouTube will make you rich, you will be disappointed very early on because you're not gonna make any substantial amount of money which can replace your day job. You're not going to do that. Nothing like that will happen to you until you luck out and one of your videos go viral or anything like that. In reality, what people do is they place external links in their description box. You've seen it thousands of times, but you never really thought about it, why people do that. Maybe you didn't even bother to go to their description box. Well, that's the gold pot. That's the the gold mine. Did I say gold pot? I don't know what I said. I'm sorry. So it's really simple. The people are promoting all kinds of stuff in their description box. They're promoting some book or maybe their own blog, which has affiliate links inside it, and direct affiliates links, and products from Amazon, Walmart. People are doing tons of stuff. They review a product and they leave links in their description box. Let me just get into it by showing you something. How about camera review? Okay. Let's see. Best budget Canon camera. Alright. Let's click over there. I feel this guy's pretty good. I don't know why is he reviewing cameras. He's more of a influencer and a coach. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. What is the best budget camera? Check out this review and video test one of the Canon SL2. Check out the Canon Rebel, and there's the link. I click the link and it's an affiliate link from Amazon. If I or anyone who clicks this link buys the camera, I don't know if Amazon has cookies anymore, but usually these offers or these affiliate programs, they offer you cookies for your users, for your visitors rather, and what happens is that if they don't buy it right away, the cookies are going to stick with the browser, and anytime, whenever they revisit Amazon, not through the link shared in the YouTube description, they just directly go to Amazon, the cookies will catch up on that. And this is the same person, okay? This person was here to an affiliate link. If he buys this camera, and he or she buys this camera, we're gonna give the commission to the affiliate who brought this person to this page at the first place. So that's what happens with Amazon, and a lot of other programs are offering the same services. There's Avin, there's ClickBank, there's Walmart, I guess. More, I don't know. Walmart maybe is represented by some affiliate network. I'm not really sure about that, but you get the point. What's happening here? So, I can't remember the percentage they offer the Amazon. But this is a $500 product, so I've, even with a lousy commission, he's at least making like $35 per sale. And if I look at the views here, for 416,605 views, I'm pretty sure he made at least 5 to 10 sales through this. I mean, that's the minimum. I mean, it could be like 500. I'm not sure, but he definitely made some sales from this. So all you gotta do is find a affiliate link. The best you can do, you can go to ClickBank if you don't want to get into the whole approval process, and they're gonna check your website, or will let you know in a couple of days. If you want to skip that, then there's a way around it. There's a better option like ClickBank. ClickBank, they don't have much of an approval process. There's nothing actually. You just sign up and boom, you're the affiliated with the company ClickBank. So just sign up. Just find a product that you like. Just find something that you think you can buy for yourself, and or you can something that you can relate to your content creation, something you can create content on. Look for something that like health products, some kind of supplement, just or you can there's many ways that you can make a video related to a niche. You don't have to buy the product. I'm just suggesting that, but that works really good in review videos. When you buy a product, you have it in your hand, and you tell people what are the pros and cons, and people really buy that, really believe you, because they see this camera in your hand, and that definitely they're thinking to themselves that this guy definitely must have used this camera. So that's one way to do it. Or you just don't buy anything for yourself. You just make a creative video and leave the link in the description box. Like for instance, I don't know, business investment. Yeah, if you're into cooking or recipes, you just grab one of these links. Guys, I'm just assuming here that you know about ClickBank, because I'm not going to. Crap. The internet is awful today. I don't know what's going on with this. What's happening, man? Come on. Crap. Unbelievable. Right during my video presentation. That's just crap. Well, you see what I'm trying to tell you here. I just lost my appetite to make this video. Come on, guys. Come on, man. Alright, here we go. So, cooking food, paleo hacks. You just pick this, put the promote button, tracking ID like YouTube, type that as a YouTube link, generate a link. Here's your link, copy it, and try not to paste this link. This is a very ugly link, and this just bumps people out. People don't want to click this. They think it's got some kind of virus. I don't know when ClickBank will fix this. This is actually really a problem. You can just go to Bitly, or there's one service from Google, I can't remember its name, but I use Bitly all the time. You can just paste it here, and add a title to it. You can even customize your link here. Pay for live, something like that. I'm actually gonna use it on one of my other channels. Yeah, I will. Just copy the thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to copy. Just copy. Well, I'm not pasting it anyway, so it's pointless to copy. But I'm just showing you what happens. Just copy it, and you just paste it in your description box. And the video should be related to paleo recipes, and voila! People, whenever they visit or view your video, you just leave a little message in the end of the video, and just try to add something in. Take a look at the description box, or find out more in the description box, something like that. And people, most of the people will definitely scroll down to your description and click the link. And who knows? Maybe 1 out of 50 people will buy. So that's pretty much I have to tell you about how people make money on YouTube. As for the SEO part of YouTube, I've done a video about it about a couple of days ago, the easy way. And in a few days, well, not in the next video, I have something else planned for the next video, but then in a week or so, I'll make a video about free hacks for YouTube SEO. So, that's I'm gonna sign off now. Have a nice day. Don't forget to check out the description. There's a link that I left there. Yes, I'm doing it to you. Well, that's up to you. This is a free link. It's a free webinar about affiliate marketing, and I really think you should take it. You will definitely take something from this webinar, and it's free to attend. So just click through and book yourself into it. All right, take care. Bye bye.